Hello friends, today's topic is about Porphyria cutanea and it is shortly called a PCT, and it is the most common sporadic variety of the Porphyria as well as most common in the adult. So we have already seen that for the heme synthesis different 8 enzyme is needed, any one enzyme deficiency that lead to the one type of the Porphyria. So exactly which type of enzyme or which particular enzyme is defective that we will look. So glycine plus succinyl CoA up to UPG3, that is commonly that same as a heme synthesis, it is synthesized, but UPG3, that is uroporphyrinogen 3, to further formation of the coproporphyrinogen, that UPG decarboxylase enzyme is needed. This particular enzyme is deficient and that is leading to the Porphyria cutanea tarda, that is called a PCT. So in detail of this Porphyria cutanea tarda that we will look in this video. So further from this CpG, with the help of different enzyme like CpG oxidase, PPG oxidase and heme synthesis, that finally heme is synthesized, but here we will discuss what happened in deficiency of this UPG decarboxylase, which is called a Porphyria cutanea tarda. So basically this PCT, that is one type of the autosomal dominant variety of the Porphyria. Here enzyme deficiency that already we have discussed at UPG decarboxylase, most common adult sporadic variety. Interesting thing is that excess amount of alcohol, iron and estrogen as well as HIV, hepatitis C infection, that can lead to the aggravation of the attack of this Porphyria cutanea tarda. So if person is suffering from this PCT, so that should take care of the avoid of the alcohol as well as avoid of excessive amount of iron and estrogen. But further it is associated with the hemochromatosis, as we have discussed that excess iron that can lead to aggravate PCT, excess iron that is typically associated with the hemochromatosis. So blistering skin lesion on the back of hand. So many times what happens, the picture of back of hand is seen, and if there is a blistering skin lesion is shown and sometime it is asked which type of the disorder, then you have to remember that PCT, Porphyria cutanea tarda, which is most common sporadic variety, and this picture is belong to that particular symptoms or particular disease, that is PCT, Porphyria cutanea tarda. Now it can also lead to the further aggravation of this PCT, or sometime in a long duration that can lead to the further liver disease, and hepatic cancer is also observed in this Porphyria cutanea tarda. Now control the aggravating factor, that is one of the way of treating of this Porphyria cutanea tarda. Typically you have to control this iron overload by the phlebotomy, and that will be helpful to decrease overall iron level in the body. Further, sometimes hydroxychloroquine as well as erythropoietin is given in a end stage renal disease of this Porphyria cutanea tarda. So that's all about the Porphyria cutanea tarda that you have to remember. It is typically asked in the exam with a picture of this back of the hand and particular blistering skin lesion, and that will give an idea about the Porphyria cutanea tarda. So Porphyria cutanea tarda, that is autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant variety of the particular Porphyria, which is occurring due to the UPG decarboxylase, and most common sporadic variety Porphyria cutanea tarda, and cutaneous photosensitivity is most commonly seen. Now these all different 8 variety of Porphyria, you can simply remember that 8 enzyme. So first one, that is ALA synthase 2, it is typically linked with the X-linked Porphyria. Second, very rare type of Porphyria, that is ALA dehydratase enzyme deficiency. UPG1, that is most common acute Porphyria, that is called a AIPI for the one, you can remember like that, it is most common acute, and it is particularly seen with the neurovisceral, no photosensitivity seen in the AIP, that also you have to remember, it is frequently asked. For the UPG3 co-synthesis, that is leading to a congenital erythropoietic porphyria. Erythropoietic is related with the erythrodontia, and it is also called a Gunther's disease and pink diaper. For the CpG oxidase and PPG oxidase, now these two typically are seen with the both the type of deformity, means neurovisceral as well as cutaneous photosensitivity. And erythropoietic protoporphyria or enzyme deficiency of heme synthase, it is most common in the children, and it is also seen with the cutaneous photosensitivity. So that's all about the overall summary as well as Porphyria cutanea tarda in detail.